guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a haul. The first part is going to be what I received from the anniversary sale, and then the second part is going to be my October kits. So of course everyone got this adorable sampler if you ordered on the anniversary sale day, and I love the sample or the stickers that we got in the sampler. My favorites are this hexagon and these PK doodles. Like, I'm so excited. I hope all of these, I really hope all of these PK doodles come into the shop. Like, this girl right here is just so cute. So that is the entire sampler. So I just got a few different sticker sheets that I wanted to stock up on, and a couple sheets that I have been like looking at and finally decided to pull the trigger on. So this first sheet is the Suitcases sheet, and we did some traveling this summer, and I really wish I would have had like these really cute half boxes to signify packing. And so this is sheet S651. I love these. I'm so excited to use some of these like traveling for the holidays. Then the next one that I got is S417, and this is like the laundry stickers, and I am really excited to like mark when I wash certain things during the week because I try to do a load of laundry every day, and so this will be nice to be able to say, like, you know, I wash towels on Tuesday, you know what I mean. So excited for this sheet. And then I also got these two sheets. This one is S638, and then I also got S45, so clean living room and clean kitchen. I think we're gonna end up getting rid of our cleaning lady, and so I just want to be able to mark that I like what room I'm gonna clean like which day. So I got living room and kitchen this time. I already have bathroom. So, and then I also got these like oval boxes, I think they're called. This is S481, and I just found myself needing some more like half boxes and quarter boxes, and so I know that I will use these up. And then I also got, I use a lot of teardrops in my planners. I love using these for like countdowns, or if I'm tracking anything on my weekly. These are just like the perfect size for this. So I got S337 and S92. S92 is just the solid color, and then the S337 is it's got a dark outside with a lighter inside, and I just, again, love using these for countdowns. I'm using teardrops in my planner currently to count down to Christmas break. I always needed something to look forward to, so that's that. And then I have been eyeing this sheet for a while now, and it's S1048, and it's family time, and these are actually bigger than I thought they were. So it'll be very nice to be able to mark like a chunk of time in my planner with these family time stickers. And then I also wanted to buy these houses. I have been loving these houses for probably since they came out, but I never really could justify buying them because we had a cleaning lady, and truly, like, I wasn't doing any of my own cleaning. So this way now I can use this to mark a chunk of time in my planner and layer with like this sheet. I think that'll just be really cute. So that's the plan. But yeah, I just have always loved these. And then the last sheet that I got was these habit trackers, and I want to do like at the end of the day before I go to bed, I would love to do like a 10-minute tidy. And so I'm hoping that if I put these habit trackers in my planner, I will hopefully start making that habit more of a regular thing. So and then stay tuned for part 2. So this starts part 2 of my Planner Kate haul. So this is my kits for the month of October. And of course, with every order, you get a Planner Kate business card with "Thank you so much 15" as the coupon code on the back. And then the best part, well, maybe not the best part, but a really good part about her orders is you get 5 freebies plus her name. So this is the name, and it is a sticker. I've got like a bajillion of these. So the first freebie that I got are these Erin Condren monthly colored dots, and I use these to like track things over multiple days that I don't want to use a whole washi strip for bullet points when I don't want to use like a full box or a half box to mark something. So I love these. Then I also got the skinny appointment labels in the colors. And then I got another set of skinny appointment labels, and this one is like more muted tones versus the other one, which is like brights. And then I also got some polka dot half boxes, and I love the polka dots. To me, they're always so like cheerful and fun. And then the last freebie that I got were these like 3 checklist half boxes, I guess, ombre check boxes. I really like having these just on hand for quick little lists in my planner. And I realized I didn't show the freebies from the first part because I put them away before I started filming and I couldn't remember which ones I got. So I didn't get anything new to me, but yeah. So the kits that I got were for the month of October, and I realized I did not put these in any sort of order whatsoever. So I did get this monthly sheet, which is kit 173, and this is called Autumn Pumpkin. And so this is sheet F. I also got sheet G. So this is the first kit with the headers and the date dots and the script stickers. And then this is the second sheet with the sidebar and then the days not in the month and some appointment labels. And I'm just really excited for this kit because we are definitely going to the apple orchard and the pumpkin patch in September and October, and I thought this would be really cute for October. So that was the first kit that I got. And then of course, I purchased the weekly kit that goes along with the monthly. So this is sheet D, which is the hourly personal sampler sheet. And I also purchased sheet A, which is the full box, half box sheet. And so this will just be for 1 week in my planner. And I just love like this half box because it's like the fake glitter. Let's see if I can, I don't know. It's really fun. And I love the sunflowers too. So super excited to use that. And then the next kit that I got was kit 174. And this is called Fall Foliage. And so this is the half box, full box sheet. And I just really liked the patterns in this. Like it'll be really easy to put like the Dorky Doodles quote boxes on the full boxes and stuff like that. So it's going to be really nice. And then I also got the, of course, hourly personal sampler sheet. And this has got, you know, like all of your extra, like the main kit pieces. So that's the next kit that I purchased. The next one that I got was mini kit 175, and that is Fall Floral, and I really liked the pinks and the blues in this kit. It's a little bit more like summery of a feeling kit, so I think I might use this at the beginning of October. And I just, you know, just with the oranges and the pinks and the pinks and the purple. Just with the oranges and the blues and the pinks. Just was kind of fun, along with this like wood sort of background. So this is the hourly personal sampler sheet, and then I also, of course, got the full box, half box sheet. I don't know, it's just kind of cute. And I love the oranges in this kit because this is, a lot of this is like orange and pink, so I really like that. And then the last, not the last, but second to last kit that I got was this, and it is mini kit 178, and it's called Sweater Weather. And of course, if you have watched my channel at all, I love navy blue. Like, that is my favorite color, and throw in some pink and I'm just gonna buy it. I'm a sucker. So I of course got the sampler sheet, and I love this washi. Like, oh my goodness. Like, it's just beautiful. Don't mind my nails. It's just a little bit gross because my job is very hectic right now, and to give myself manicure just when I would go and mess it up does not make any sense. So maybe in a couple weeks I'll paint my nails, but sidetrack. So this is sampler sheet, and then the full boxes. I love this pattern so much. It's gorgeous. And I love like the burgundy along with the navy. Oh my gosh. It's literally like you could put on a sweater and sit in front of a fire and drink some hot cocoa and read a good book. That's what this reminds me of. I don't know. Just fall. And then the official last kit is Planner Kate's Halloween kit, and this is kit 172, and it's this kit. I just about died when I saw the pumpkins. I had the hardest time deciding between this monthly kit and the one that I actually chose, and I kind of made a compromise to myself, and I'll show you in a little bit what I'm going to do. But I just look at how adorable that washi is, and like this house. Oh, it's just so cute. I love this. It screams Halloween to me. So sampler sheet, and then the full boxes are adorable. Like the skeletons, it's just, and the spider webs. Oh my gosh. Like, and this washi, I cannot wait to use this weekly kit. Although I can wait, because then that means my child will be born we'll have his birthday. Well, he was born on the 6th of November, so a week after Halloween. Yeah. Crazy. Completely crazy. So I had the hardest time deciding between the monthly that I chose and the Halloween monthly. So I think the Happy Planner video will go up before this video, but don't quote me. But look for that video soon. I'll either link it in a card or description, or watch for it coming soon. So I'm moving to a Happy Planner for the 2020 year, and I already have it, and I'm kind of experimenting with it. And so I decided to get the Happy Planner monthly kit. And there's only one sheet. This is sheet K, and it's the classic Happy Planner sheet. And I'm just so excited to try this out. I will film a video on it, so we'll learn together how this fits in my planner. But I'm really excited to see how Planner Kate's monthly stickers translate to the Happy Planner. So this was my haul. It was kind of a small haul for October, but thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of new content coming in the fall and winter months, so I hope you stick around. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.